By the end of this video, you will know what products you should target as an Amazon FBA online arbitrage beginner. I will give you 3 types of products that you should start looking for and start selling right now to make a lot of money fast and grow your business as fast as possible. If you need more help with sourcing online arbitrage products, I have a free course in the description. Get it. It's free. It's a free ebook. It details exactly how I go about sourcing and what is my strategy to consistently find leads day after day. So let's start. The first type of products that you are going to need to look for to grow your business fast are cheap products that sell fast. And by cheap products, I mean products that you can buy at anywhere, like the golden ratio, the golden buy cost, if you want to grow fast and if you want to make good money and have low competition, is going to be products that you can buy profitably in anywhere in between $3 to $6, okay? And have at least 50% return on investment on them. The reason why you want to target those products, I talked a little bit about it in yesterday's video, and so I give golden nuggets like this all the time, so if you want more of them, follow, subscribe, follow me on social, all that stuff, and come on the Discord server, by the way. But the reason why you want to target those products is just think about it. You want to avoid products where people that actually have prep centers are actually selling, right? Because it will give you more competition, and so if you actually want to sell those products and want to do it profitably, you need to buy them, ship them to your house, and prep them yourself. So it's going to remove a big part of the competition when it comes to selling on Amazon, right? So the reason why is because when you use a prep center, you are going to pay $1.50 per unit at least if you want to have them to prep your inventory. Now, with more expensive products, if you use a prep center in a tax-free state, it's going to balance that. You're going to need to be able to recoup whatever you would have paid in sales tax and get and pay. So you would basically break even. It's not like you would have spent any money for them to prep your inventory. But with cheaper products, it's not going to be the case, right? And just think about it. If you were to buy something at $6, okay, and make 50% return on investment on it, you're going to make $3 profit on it, okay? If you need to pay $1.50 in prep fee for someone to actually prep this item, those $3 in profits are going to go to $1.50 per profit. So you are turning a 50% profit to a 25% profit, okay? So by targeting this product, and the cheaper, the better. So when I was personally doing online arbitrage and prepping everything myself in my early days, one way that I was able to scale super fast was with products just like that. It was like a soap that I was buying, like it was a bundle that I was buying. I was buying the bundle for like in between $3.50 to $4.13, so $4.15, and in between that. And I was selling it at way more than 30% return on investment, way more than 50% return on investment. It was above 70% return on investment. And the only way, it was even better, because this is the next thing that we are going to talk about, but it was even better because it was a bundle, okay? And so with bundles, every unit that you add is going to add to your prep cost if you use a prep center. So people with a prep center would not be able to sell this product profitably because of that. And I sold a ton of those, and I made a lot of money and scaled my business fast with those. I was buying a lot of units, it was selling super fast. So you want to target those products because trying to sell them at scale with a prep center is not going to work because it's going to eat too much on your margin. So this is the golden ratio. And to be honest, anything below that you have a buy cost that is below 15%, that is below $15, I'm sorry, it's going to be way easier. You're going to have way less competition. If you go with higher price, people with prep centers can easily sell them and have them at price cheaper than you because they have a prep center in sales tax in state that are sales tax free, and because of that, it's going to be way harder to compete. Okay, you want to reduce the potential competition and go for cheap products that you are going to prep yourself and that people with prep centers are not going to be able to jump on. So that was number one. As I said, by the way, follow me on social, it's showing up right there, and join the Discord server if you want to grow. Another thing, if you want to grow fast, you want to avoid mistakes, join my mentorship program. There's a link right there in the description, and there's a video when you get on the page that explains every single mentorship options. So yeah, definitely join that. So the second type of products that you want to look at, as I said right before, are bundles, okay, and bundles that are cheap. By the way, if you combine those things, if you combine every single tip that I give you one with the other, it is going to create a bigger moat around your products and make competition way harder for you, for the people. So the reason why, as I said, you want to target products with products that are bundled is because bundling products, if you use a prep center, bundling stuff is going to cost you extra money, okay? The prep fee is not going to be the same. So if you pay $1.50, some prep centers charge 50 cents per extra unit, some prep centers charge like 10 cents, it really depends. But like the more items you add inside the bundle, the more expensive the prep fee is going to be, and so it's going to reduce your potential profit even more. So target those products that are bundled, and so it is one extra layer of protection against competition. Okay, you want to reduce your competition as much as possible and scale as fast as possible with fast-selling product. Okay, this is the whole strategy. The third type of products that you want to look for, okay, are products that are only sellable doing FBM. The reason why you want to do this is that most people running at scale, not at huge scales, because people running at huge scale with wholesale, with warehouse will do some FBM as well. But people that are anywhere between a couple $100,000 and $2 million in sales usually will not run with wholesale, with warehouse, and will most of the time not do FBM, okay, year round. And so this is the reason why you want to target those products, okay? And there's two big types of products that are not sellable during FBA, okay? One of them is seasonal and it's meltable products, okay? So during the summer month, you are not going to be able to send to FBA warehouses products that Amazon consider meltable, and so it's going to be chocolate, and like gummies, a lot of vitamins. By the way, if you are on the Walgreens list, you know what? I'm not going to explain. If you know, you know. Search bar, Chris Mangunza, which is my name. You can see it right under the video. If it's the first video you see of me, if you do not know, to write my name, Chris Mangunza, and type Chris Mangunza Walgreens. Okay, there's a lot of products that you're gonna find that falls into that specific category, right? Look for meltable products and sell them during meltable season, during FBM. Not only is going to speed up your cash flow cycle, but you're going to have way less competition, not only because people with representatives are not going to sell those products, but because sellers that sells from overseas are not going to sell those products FBM either, okay? You could work with a prep center to actually sell products FBM, but these usually the price points are not going to make sense. And so once again, combine this with the previous tips that I gave you. Just imagine if you can do a product that you can get for $3 to $6, okay, that sells at 50% return on investment. That is in bundle, okay, so you can get the whole bundle for like $6. And that is a meltable, my friend, you are golden, okay, you are golden, okay, because nobody else is going to sell these products. And the other type of products that you are going to be able to sell FBM without and that most people are not going to be able to sell FBA, and even if they can, most people do not do it. It's the hazmat products, okay, which are dangerous goods, and it's going to be anything from hairspray, some shampoo will be under hazmat, perfume, all that stuff. Just look for hazmat product in your lead bank, and those products, some people, I can sell them FBA, but it's way more logistic to sell them FBA because you need to do another shipment, you need to buy the shipment yourself, you cannot ship it by air, you need to ship it by land transportation, all that stuff. The shipping may be a little bit more expensive, and most people do not do it because of those extra steps, right? But this is a good way. Like one of my best selling ASIN ever was an hazmat product. I've been selling it over and over again. That I was doing FBM. I was doing like $12,000 a month at one point just with that ASIN, okay, which was FBM, and I had to drop like a ton of units every single day at the post office. So those products, hazmat products that sell fast, are going to be great products to sell FBM and to reduce your competition, because once again, people from overseas, all that stuff will not be able to actually sell this product. Okay, if you can find hazmat product for $5-7 or even cheaper than that, you are golden. Okay, if you can sell them profitably at anything above 30% return on investment, you are golden. If they sell fast, you are good. And with FBM, it's going to be even faster to actually get your money back and reinvest the money into your business. So these are the stuff that you want to look at. Once again, if you want to learn more, get the free sourcing course in the description. Follow me on social. Not only that, but come on the Discord server to network, and if you need more help, even more help, get on my coaching program. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Watch these videos if you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thanks for watching.